Good morning! I made this one a couple weeks back, and today I want to use a similar background but then go in with more like pink and yellow tones. Let's see how that works out. Somehow with this background color I keep it simple and neat, and I love that. So here we go. Here we go. And still I only have a couple of drops of paint spray left. And if you want to know what acrylics I use, what brushes I use, then go check out the description for my art supply list. Also, I have some more free guides like a composition cheat sheet, a guide on how to create depth in your paintings. So check it out. It's all free. Now it needs to be watered down. Where's my water? I forgot. Normally I make my painting wet first. You guys distracted me. And so for this one, I was thinking of creating a similar flow like that one, but then going the other way. For me, that's, by the way, more difficult to create those brush strokes. And so most of my paintings, they lean more towards that side. Yeah, you see, this motion is super easy for me. This motion is not. Let's just go from here too, that's cool. This looks good to start with. Now the question is, do my colors work? The colors that I selected, because I have no clue. I did not test it out. So I have let's first start with the lighter colors. Let's see how that looks. I have a yellow and quite a vibrant pink. It's a light magenta. Okay, that's cool. This color is just setting me off a bit. Are we liking this? Purple, let's just add purple. I didn't want to go into the purples. Here I am. The combination with the yellow now, that violet oxide and a darker purple, it does look nice. Loving this flow though. Alright, let's move on. Let's move on. Let's just keep working and see if it clicks. Start clicking. With some gray here. I just feel like keeping it a bit more gray on the top would be good. Well, I really thought I put my my brush in the gray. Well, apparently I did not. Oh, they're so dark, all these colors. They're just so dark. It's good. It's good. It looks good. Gray, I guess. I hope. Well, it definitely has a similar composition, but that one clicked very quickly. I do like, by the way, this purple over here. Is that this? Yeah. See, I can't see. So there is not a real stem, you know, like I like that it's like this all emotion painting. Yeah, I do think I need like one more or not. I am quite liking this. It's different. Some pops of yellow. You know what I will do? Let's place them together. Let's place these two together. Let's see how that looks. Wow, I wasn't planning on creating a similar one, but here we are. This is working out, isn't it? Let me know what you think. I'll show you the dried end result. I was not planning on making a diptych, but these look so nice together. I really like that there's this gradient here on the top that truly gives some depth instead of it being more flat on the background. And like I said, there's no clear stem here, so it's all flowing. Really like these pops of yellow against the purple and the violets. Some vibrant pink over here. And here too. Ooh, that's really, really vibrant. Yeah, it's a beautiful set. I love it. Let me know what you think. I would love to hear it. Coming week, these will come out as originals on my website and also prints. So check it out if you are interested. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week Saturday.